channel. So today is going to be a nail unboxing video. I decided to buy an electrical nail drill from Amazon, and I just wanted to do my own nails because I don't know, I just don't really want to get my nails done at the Asian salon, and also too, I don't want to be paying these ridiculous nail fees from these quote-unquote self-made nail techs. But anywho, this is the machine. It's cute, and I also like the fact that at the top it has space to put your nail bits, so like when I buy more nail bits I could put it in like those little holes. I think that's kind of cool. This is the footing to control the speed for the nail drill and stuff like that. This is also the plug to plug in the machine for it to work and turn on, so and so, And this is the actual nail drill. It's cute, right? Cute and simple. And these, of course, are the nail drills with the extra sanding thingies, which I think is kind of cool because if I'm gonna be doing my nails often, I'm gonna need these. So yeah. And also too, I bought a cuticle pusher, but they gave me a free one, so they put it in the same bag. I don't know, but yeah. So that's it for the Scarlet nail drill. Yeah. So this is everything that came out of the box. When I was on Amazon, they also have two other colors besides the black. They have pink and white, and I was gonna get the pink, but I was like, you know what, let me get the black because it just seems more put together. But if my machine was to break for some reason, whatever reason, I think I would get the pink one. But the pink one was cute. It was cute. And also with MelodySusie, they have different kinds of electrical nail drills, but I like this one because it was on sale. I'm gonna be honest with you, it was on sale, and it just looked cute because I don't really have that much space in my room, so something that's like this, compact and like small, it really helped. So this is what the back of the machine looked like with all the stuff plugged in, and look, it holds it. Yeah, seller point, cute. So these are the different nail bits that come with the nail drill. I like the fact that they are in different sizes for different purposes. Like you have ones that are for like the whole nail. You have one that you can use on specifically on the cuticles. You could use one to take off the whole nail, to take off the gel polish. We want to do like a new set. Like they all have their own purpose basically. In the next clip, I'm going to do a sound ASMR because I really want you guys to hear how the nail drill sounds on different speeds. I mean, you may not have to do your nails on like 5,000, but I just want you guys to hear how it sounds. So that's how the drill sounds on the different speed levels. I personally feel like it's like a low sound. I feel like it's not even like that bad, like, because when I think about like a nail drill at like the nail salon, those things be loud. But I feel like with this one, it's not that bad, especially for like personal use. I feel like sound wise it really isn't that bad. I'm loving the placeholder for the drill again. Like, that's my favorite part of the machine is that I could just put it back in and boom, look at that. It's cute. It's simple, nothing too crazy, just like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my little nail unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.